Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. I hope you guys are fine. So my earbuds are just arrived from a local vendor which name is talha dukaan, and I'm going to unboxing it. Let's see what we got. I hope I get what I watched in the picture. So we have two rings here. Okay, we'll open this first. Okay, QR code. Yeah, open it. What we got in it? Okay, a charging pin maybe. Yeah, a charging pin. And here's, see what they have. Well, oh, there are different sizes. Yeah, they are different in sizes. Good. Okay, let's see what we got in our second thing. Just put it here. Oh, it's look really cool, man. It's really cool. That's a charging spot. Yeah, and that's front. Oh, great. Just look at it. Great style, man. Okay, so it's a left and it's a right, but also they have a pin for charging. Okay, the charging we start from here. Great look. Oh, it's also have a charging indicator, how much it has charging. I think it's 1% thing. Yeah, because the only this one is dark lighting, the other ones are only just shadow. Okay, so let's try it. Oh, the red look is really good, man. Great. So how can I open or start it? I think it's button. I think it's long press. Okay, I think it's closed now. They were open. Yeah. Oh, cool. They are now open and ready to use. The look is very great. That one is not lighting. Why? Why that one is not lighting? Power on. Okay, we got it. Great. So we have both are running, so really cool stuff, and I will test it and will post about how I feel. We will make a video with that so we can get the review right. Yeah, good stuff, and the look is very good. Thank you, talha dukaan. I hope I will shop later with you. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up. Also, I'm going to put link in the description about the vendor, so you can also purchase from it. It's also have features like 6-hour playtime for single, clear call quality, 300 mAh battery, and comfortable stable. So here's a look.